queen. And when the lights all went out, we watched our lives on the screen. I hate the ending myself, but it started with an alright scene. It was the roar of the crowd that gave me heartache to sing. It was a lie when they smiled and said you won't feel a thing. And as we ran from the cops, we laughed so hard it would sting. Yeah, yeah. If I'm so wrong, how can you listen all night long? How will it matter after I'm gone? Because you never learned a goddamn thing. You hear me cry out to you as I thought I'd choke or figure out I'm really not with you anymore. I'm just a ghost, so I can't hurt you anymore. So I can't hurt you anymore. You wanna see how far down I can sink? Let me out. This night, walk the dead in a solitary style and crash the cemetery gates in the dress you're